Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find your archived chats on Telegram web using your PC. If you've ever archived a conversation and couldn't find it later, don't worry, it's actually pretty easy to access those chats again. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to web.telegram.org, http web.telegram.org, to open Telegram web. If you haven't logged in yet, simply enter your phone number and the verification code that gets sent to your device to sign in. Once you're logged in and on the main screen of Telegram web, look right below the search bar at the top of the page. You'll see an option labeled Archived Chats. This is where all of your archived conversations are stored. So if you've hidden chats in the past, this is where you'll find them. Go ahead and click on Archived Chats, and it will open up a section showing all the chats you've archived. Whether it's a private conversation, a group chat, or a channel, they'll all be listed here, neatly separated from your main chat list. Now scroll through the archived chats until you find the one you want to open. If you have a lot of archived chats, it might take a moment to find the right one, but it's all organized in one place, so it's easy to navigate. Once you find the chat you're looking for, just click on it to open the conversation. From here, you can continue chatting. Or if you want to unarchive it, you can hover over the chat and select the option to unarchive. This will move the chat back to your main chat list. And that's it. You've now successfully found and opened an archived chat on Telegram web. It's a super simple process, and it's a great way to keep your main chat list clean while still keeping important conversations stored away. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.